Welcome back to the channel, guys. I know it's a little echoey in here. Can't really do much about that. So today I have a video that is not the planned video I had. So with the heat that we got recently, we came to the beach. So I brought the RC car. I got the paddle tires and the sand body that I'm going to be installing. Got all this stuff over here, camera equipment, other stuff. So I am going to switch over to GoPro and tripod so you can see me change out the tires, body, everything like that. So see you guys in the next clip. Okay, so let's get these tires changed out here. We can start off taking these ones off. And as you can tell, I do not use the tools provided by Traxxas because I find this a lot easier than just drop it right there. So there's that, and then we'll put that there. Grab the right paddle tire here, as paddle tires are directional. And that fit on there. Just like that, that side is done. I'll flip it over here to move that tire out of the way. And then do the same thing on this side. Just a car there. And super easy, I mean. And then I'm not even going to bother changing out the front tires, as you can probably see right now that they're the riveted tires I have on there, and those probably do just fine in the sand. I'm not going to, it's a rear-wheel drive, so there's no reason to switch out the front wheels and tires. And then switch out the body, so it's easy. Just take off the 3 body clips here, move this body, grab the new body here, and then this part here. Put the 3 body clips back in, just like so. And just like that, the car is completely ready for the sand here. And I do a couple different shots here with the GoPro. I'll probably do some facing the back and then some facing the front. Super easy to flip around and everything. And I'm gonna get that set up, and the next time I see you guys will be out on the beach. Alright, so we're here at the beach, and got a little stuck here, but I'm gonna throw the GoPro on. We got some dunes around here that look like jump here, and see if I can back out. Yeah. See if I can get a quick little jump right here for you guys. I don't know what's top, but I'll throw the GoPro on and get some jumps for you guys. that didn't last long. Had a screw fall out of the suspension there, and obviously it fell out in sand, and can't really find it. So I'm gonna go back to the house and see if I can't find something to fix it. And if not, oh well, I'm going back home where all my parts are tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I did get the crash where it broke on camera, so I'm super excited about that. See you guys in the next one.